Hi, I'm Carissa Crane, and my favorite thing in the world to do is to help people build their businesses. It is so rewarding to me. PMU changed my life. It really did. I went from being divorced, $64,000 in debt, to debt-free and starting 2 new businesses within 2 years. And I can't explain to you the blessing that it was to my life. And I want to help other people experience that and make that change in their life. And I know what it's like to come out of a 3-day course completely ill-prepared, feel like you just wasted your money and not ready to touch people's faces. That's why I started filming. That's why I started creating my 9-course bundle for microblading, and then it has just grown from there. I now have over 200 videos and even another 5 courses launching this year, as well as a PMU group with over 11,000 people there to support you and cheer you on and help you go from that beginner to that success that I know you can be. Sign up below. I want to give you everything I have, teach you all my secrets, set you up for success. Let me help you. Let's do this together.